Hi learners, welcome to No More Hard Maths. Today we are looking at grade 7 fractions, equivalent fractions explained clearly. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same value. 1 over 2. To create an equivalent fraction, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So here we will have times 2 over 2 is equals to 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. And we also have times 3 over 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. When we multiply by 2 over 2 or 3 over 3, we're actually multiplying by 1. That is why the value does not change. Let's try a question together. Which of the following fractions is equivalent to 3 over 5? Is it A, 6 over 10, B, 9 over 12, or C, 12 over 20? Let's solve it step by step. To create an equivalent fraction, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So first option will be to multiply by 2 over 2, and then we get the answer 3 over 5. 3 times 2 is 6, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 6 over 10 is equivalent to 3 over 5. Now check option B. So it's the same, so which means option A is correct. Now let's check option B, which is 9 over 12. So does 3 over 5 equal 9 over 12? Let's check. If we say 3 over 5 times 3 over 3, we get 3 times 3 is 9, and then 5 times 3 is 15. Therefore, 9 over 12 is not equivalent because we did not multiply both by the same number to get 12. And then now let's check option C, which is 12 over 20. So is 3 over 5 equals to 12 over 20? So we say 3 times 4 over 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, and then 5 times 4 is 20. So 12 over 12 is also equivalent. So in conclusion, the correct answers are A and C. These are the correct answers that are equal to 3 over 5, that are equivalent to 3 over 5. Now let's try another type of question. Are 8 over 12, 8 over 12 and 2 over 3 equivalent? So instead of multiplying, this time we simplify. So we have 8 over 12. What number divides both 8 and 12? Both can be divided by 4, right? So if we say 8 divided by 4, how much do we get? 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 8 over 12 is equals to 2 over 3. So yes, they are equivalent. If learners only memorize the process but do not understand why we multiply both numbers, they get confused later when fractions appear inside algebraic expressions. This is why mastering this in grade 7 is important. If your child struggles with fractions, foundation correction is easier now than in grade 10. Follow for structured grade 7 to 9 maths support. Thank you so much, learners. Enjoy maths.